Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have our traditional dish from Jamaica.
Yes.
Yes. So this dish is what in Jamaica? It's our national
dish right here in Jamaica. Ackee and Saltfish.
Ackee and Saltfish. And we have dumpling and banana. We have white yam and potato. And what do we call those? Food.
Yes, she's right.
Okay, so before we dig in, I do want to show you guys my outfit of the day.
Show that.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back.
Okay guys, I hope you liked my outfit of the day. And like I said, we have Ackee and Saltfish. And if you want to see, with some plantains, sorry. And if you want to see how my husband prepared this delicious meal, please go ahead and check out the video of how to cook this. I will link it in the description below. Without further ado, I'm ready to dig in. What about you?
I know somebody was ready for you too.
No.
I can't ask for that. Can't ask me a question there. Just have to wait till you do your thing.
Man, it's really good.
Must stay quiet.
You stay quiet today? That's impossible.
My gosh. Yes, First Lady.
I hope you guys are having a great Tuesday so far.
That's true. We are, because we're eating.
Now this dish, we eat it for breakfast,
Lunch, dinner,
snack. It don't matter.
Don't matter what it is. And you also can make the ackee with fried dumpling, eat it with bread, anything you want.
Breadfruit. Woo! I love fried breadfruit.
Some of y'all might say, oh, it look like egg. It's not egg though. No? But Jamaicans, they know what time it is. Dumpling them nice, you know?
And the white yam tastes good, man.
You put your foot in that dumpling and the food, yeah. How many dumplings you give me today, First Lady?
I'll give you 5 dumplings.
5 dumplings you give me?
Yes, I did. Because that's what you asked for.
Alright.
Stop in front of the camera.
No, come and say you give me 5, come and no say. How much you take?
I took 3.
Okay.
You know I'm only going to eat 2.
I can say 6 me. That's what I'm asking. I have to do the calculation sometimes. Sometimes my match not good, you know.
You're right.
Yeah. Match not good sometimes, family. So sometimes.
His math is excellent. Don't let him trick you. The guy can add up money. When it comes to money, he can add up some money fast.
Yeah, damn right. I'm in the ramp when it comes to money, you know. Yeah. Watch it. Yeah, keep the family. Nice.
You gotta have plantain on the side.
Has to.
You have to.
Has to. It's a must.
And dumpling is so easy to make. It's just water, a little bit of salt, and then I put some cornmeal in there, just a little bit of cornmeal, and you knead it up, and you get perfect dumplings.
Perfect. You dumpling a shot, First Lady, man. Yeah, man. Dumpling a shot, man. Nah, lie. Good? Or it's okay?
It's very good.
Good. I like that.
You know what I like? Is that the saltfish is not like mushy or overpowering it. Because saltfish can be overpowering.
Yeah.
Overpowering, especially when it's when you don't boil it enough.
Very salty.
Yeah. And sometimes you can soak it the night before.
Yeah.
and then just boil it once. But if you don't have time to soak it the night before, just boil it twice. Yeah.
Boil it twice. Why I'm so white I can't even see it. Welcome back again.
And if you're new, my name is Shanice.
And
Richie.
That's right.
Welcome.
Welcome. Gotta introduce. Welcome to our life. Right? For the new subscribers, this is what we do on an everyday basis. Bringing you into our culture.
That's right.
Right? So
we can't do anything else. And we make other foods as well.
Yeah.
Not just Jamaican food, but listen to me, that's what we love to eat, you know?
Exactly. Cheaper to cook your own food.
Yeah.
And to go buy sometime, you know.
And it tastes better. And then you know what you're putting in there.
Okay, good.
Dumpling them.
Yeah, I'm saying the dumpling nice, man. You that me I tell them man say dumpling nice, man. Cool, man. So you're nice, man. You're bad, but dumpling making do, man.
Thank you.
Wow.
Oh, and thank you to our subscriber who requested us to make this. We appreciate you very much. And I hope you enjoy the video.
Because I'm enjoying eating it. That's true. You know what I'm saying? You got a couple of requests now, First Lady.
I know I was waiting for you to say that.
Yeah, you got a couple of requests.
I was waiting for you. You say you still?
She got to get to me. I tell you business. I chat me. I tell you.
Shoot.
She's the chef. I just follow. I'm the, what you call it under the chef?
The sous chef.
Yeah, man, the sous chef.
I'm the sous chef.
No, man, me the sous chef. Me the food chef. Don't forget.
What is that? The cheapest water
bottle, you know.
Link in the description box.
Yeah.
Don't go look for it because in a dead.
Don't look for it. It's only on this channel. Yeah. Yes, man.
Leave it open.
Oh, you leave it open? So what y'all doing today? I know most of y'all got to go to work, but I'm off. I love it. But it's okay.
Because some people off on the weekend.
Yeah.
You got to go to work.
See? Because I work on the weekends and you're off. So now Monday is my Friday.
But honey, you have a great schedule. You only work
3 days
a week.
Can't complain. 3 days.
3 days a week.
13-hour shift, you know, all for the whole week to do these kind of video being First Lady. You know what I'm saying? But now, I know some of y'all gotta be at work, you know, but it's all good. Main thing is, as long as y'all got a job, you know what I mean? A lot of people out there don't have a job right now, you know what I'm saying? But be thankful and appreciative, right?
Right.
Yo, you know, see, I move flop on the platinum now. You know, see, I move fast on the platinum. I two platinum in there, you know. Me, I watch you, you know. I watch you that kind of, yeah, you know. First Lady, you moving good. She trying to sneak the platinum away.
I love plantains.
I see that.
And especially with Ackee Saltfish. But my favorite way to eat plantain is a plantain sandwich. So if you fry the plantain, and you fry some egg, and you get some hard-dough bread, you butter that. Man, oh man, you get some hot chocolate. You know what you're missing.
Plan endurance. You're plan urine first.
I can't eat all those plantains.
Okay, then so eating that whatever.
Why don't you just eat? Just eat. It's like watch me, man. Cha.
I have to watch you now. Cause you know, so I have to watch you now. Cause we talked about this already now. All right.
Gosh, just eat.
You better subscribe to on your side.
They need to be. Cause they watch.
Team Shanice. Team Richie.
They watch. Just eat the food.
No, it's not. It's not about I'm watching you eating the food. It's just I just want to make sure you have enough because when I don't want to eat too much. That's what I do. It's not because I'm watching her family. I just want to make sure she eat a lot. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't want to done if I see this already. Done already. You see? And I had 5 dumplings. You know what I'm talking about?
You do move fast, but in no matter, you just yum.
My mind is your mouth.
Oh, guys. He used coconut oil in this. Oh my god. Coconut oil is the bomb. It's the way to go.
It's the best lick.
It's the way to go.
Best lick.
But I want you guys to go ahead and check out how we prepared this meal. The other video, just check out the link in the description. And I want you to tell me, what do you notice in that video that is missing? What is one ingredient that my husband did not use in that video?
Always use it too. We always, right?
But we didn't use it this time.
We didn't use it today.
But let us know. If you watch the channel, then you know what ingredient is missing. And you let us know.
Just the one or what's missing totally. I will put more stuff in it, but just the one main thing we talk about all the time.
Yeah, the one.
Okay. Let's see.
Let us know in the
That's
comment
a test.
section.
We're giving you a test now.
What do you think we should do when we hit 500 subscribers? Should we do a giveaway?
Yeah, we'll do that.
What do you guys think?
What do you think?
You think we should do a giveaway? So we're not the money, you know?
We don't have the money.
You have money?
You have money?
We don't have the money?
Me not have nothing. You have money? Giveaway our story time.
That too?
Tell me. It's up to you. We're giving away this.
That one got shiggity. Please.
Wow. Excuse me. Yeah. Wait a minute, we might try to go live today. Let's see if it works. Hope it does.
The live thing is kind of tricky.
Yeah.
So, I've been watching videos on how to go live because we don't have enough subscribers to go live on our phone, to be honest. So, but we can go live on our laptop. But when you go live on a laptop, it's a little bit more intricate. Like it's a little bit more, it's more stuff to it. You understand? So, oh my goodness, excuse me, guys. So, I gotta make sure I have it down packed. And then later on, if all goes well, guys, you will see us live, and we're gonna be sitting and eating something.
We're not gonna tell you what it is.
Yeah, man.
But knowing her, she will tell you.
No, I'm not gonna tell them.
You not tell them today? Alright, good.
You said me chat too much, man.
Yeah, man, not, you see? Me not say it, you know. Alright. All the subscribers on your side.
They're on my side sometimes.
No, they're always on your side.
No.
Alright, I got to hush now. And be quiet. But the food nice too, you know? Nah, like. Food nice too. Again, we appreciate all of y'all. For real.
It has a little bit of spice to it, but it's like a perfect amount of pepper.
Why you think I didn't use the famous Grace? I didn't use it today because I already have it in here.
Because Ackee Saltfish traditionally it's not supposed to be spicy.
Nah.
Like there's just some food in Jamaica that you know is gonna be peppery, like
Yeah.
jerk chicken. You know it's gonna be spicy. Curry goat, you know that's gonna be spicy. You know what I mean? But like Ackee Saltfish, no. But it does give it an extra flavor.
Yeah.
When you add that little bit of pepper, it really goes a long way.
Sure does. Sure does.
If you guys make this, let us know in the comment section, okay?
Yep. Very tasteful. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Y'all saw that. And y'all said I always watch her food. You see? Alright then. I'm not venting.
You don't vent?
I'm not venting. I'm not venting. But you see, I'm showing you. She just gave me her dumpling. So this is 6 dumpling. But I wanted it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
See, we even now.
Yeah.
Yes, I take it. Watch your food. I'm watching because I want you to be full. I rather you full than I'm not full.
I understand, my love.
But thank you for the dumpling here. Dumpling, nice man.
I understand. Normally, I would just eat 1 dumpling, a piece of banana.
That's true.
And some, and maybe a piece of yam. Well, yam. I love yam.
And I cut it up like this for her. Like a little baby. 1 dumpling and yam.
One dumpling.
Me and yam 1 dumpling. Yeah, and yam 1 dumpling, sir.
What's the most dumplings you've eaten in one sitting?
One time?
Mm-hmm.
Then I eat like about almost 10.
You yam 10 dumplings.
Almost.
Did you have other food with it too?
Yeah, food was in here too.
Like yam and banana?
Yeah.
Wow.
Dumpling is nice, man. Dumpling nice, I've eaten them, no?
Yeah, it's true. The most dumpling I've eaten is 2. It's 2. I can't go no more than 2. It's a lot. That sucker will put you to sleep. I'm telling you. Yeah.
My God.
You getting full?
Full. Full.
I don't know why I asked him that question.
I don't know why you do. Full. But I always tell you, we're not time. This ain't no challenge.
For real, that's true.
So I can eat as much as I want. And you know, when I done this, keep your mouth shut. Don't say. Alright. Thank you.
He's gonna go eat more food.
Yo, trust me.
Listen, they're our family. I can't lie to them.
I know, but
I
damn.
can tell them what's going on.
May I stop telling you things, you know?
Okay.
I'm gonna stop telling you stuff.
For real. I'm not gonna. Okay, guys. You guys keep on getting me in trouble. You want me to tell you guys all my business? I'm not doing it anymore.
I'm gonna stop telling things, man. John know, brother. Yeah, I see you.
Oh, I can't wink.
Yeah,
I don't know. Honey, I can't wink. You know what I love? I love when my husband winks at me.
Okay, I wink, yeah.
Yes, you can. When he winks at me, woo! Like the clothes won't come off.
Come off already.
Oh my God, I don't know why. Every time he winks at me, that that turns me on.
I see, me can't see, that's why I wink.
Whatever.
Oh my God. Another day. See what we got in store tomorrow.
What are we gonna cook tomorrow?
I don't know, we never.
You gotta go to work later on.
Eat in the morning. I feel for steak.
Oh yeah.
What you call them saying with the bone? T-bone?
T-bone steak.
Yeah, man. Them kind of steak I feel like for tomorrow.
Yeah, man.
I might eat that tomorrow. You know? I ain't gonna show y'all. It look like egg. Can't even see. It's the same.
No, for me, full.
Oh my God. I know you're full a long time now. Alright, so since you're full, she's full, so I'm gonna take this family and put it on my side. Good.
You're so cute.
You know what, Amir?
I'll eat one more. You got the other one. I'm full.
Okay. You ate all of them anyway, so I might as well continue.
Well, I'm full. Honestly, honey, I don't think I can eat these 2.
Alright, I eat it.
Yeah, hell. Come on. I ate how much dumplings I ate? I ate 2 dumplings. That's out of the ordinary.
Yeah, you eat one and a half.
Maybe I'm 2 dumplings.
You done 2 dumplings for you?
Yeah.
Wow.
I can eat. The most I can eat is 2.
That's good.
Okay, then it made me get sleepy.
How much meat you eat? 6.
It's like 10.
And I'm 6 flour.
6. And then
You put cornmeal?
yeah.
Oh,
I put a little bit of cornmeal. 6 and then I didn't know.
You know, sleep.
No, I sleep I gotta go figure out. I gotta edit this video, and I gotta figure out how to go live.
How to go live? Cause we want you to come and sit with us, and then she gonna chat the business. That's what she want to live. We don't gonna chat business. Sit down, just eat something. We ain't gonna tell you what, and then first they could chat our business. Okay.
Nothing more refreshing than water. I don't know how people don't like water.
Water.
Some people just don't like it.
I drink water. Sometimes I be water. I don't mind what I drink at work. Yeah.
Watered out?
Yeah, I be watered out. I drink so much water at work. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
My box. Because I have the big jug.
Oh.
And the water them small. You know the water them small like this.
Yeah.
I drink water like nothing because it's so hot.
Because it's so hot. That is so true.
I work in a warehouse, guys. Because she's going to tell you anyway.
Yeah, my husband, he works in a warehouse. And in his warehouse, his particular warehouse, it's hot in the section that he works in. So he has to constantly stay hydrated. So he drinks a lot of water.
That's why when I drink a soda, you know, I miss it. So I have to drink some.
So don't be too harsh on him when he drinks soda.
Yes,
Because
please. Please. Please, don't be too hard on me. I gotta drink some soda sometime. I drink a lot of. I be watered out. I told you.
You drink a lot of water for real. A beer water and drink.
Coming like me a plant.
I had a great meal. This is a great meal.
Really good. Delicious.
Delicioso.
Good. I always have a great meal. I love it. Tom.
I love the onions.
You know, say, we never leave them on the plate for real. Because of you, you know? And you have too much money. That meal make you want to slap your mama. But nah, slap you.
I'm not your mama.
You're my mama. Nice money. Wow. This was delicious. So keep your finger crossed. Hopefully, we could go live.
Yeah.
Please. We want to chat with y'all.
And just chillax.
Just chillax. Chillax in the sun.
It's hot out there now?
Nah, they're free. So we're going to garage.
Okay,
And a living room. Don't forget to like, share. We shared it with y'all. Comment. I want me to subscribe, miss. And subscribe. And you know I always say, if you reach this far, thumbs up and
subscribe.
Click that bell left for everything. Yes.
Alright guys, I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.